Welcome to EdbMails, MBOX to Exchange Migration, a step-by-step guide. Have offline MBOX files from email clients like Thunderbird, Apple Mail, Eudora, or Postbox, and want to migrate them to an Exchange server? EdbMails MBOX to Exchange Migrator is designed to make your migration process seamless. Whether it's a small mailbox or a large volume of data, this tool ensures accurate and efficient transfer. With advanced features and an intuitive interface, managing offline MBOX file migrations has never been easier. Before starting, you can preview all your emails along with attachments from your MBOX files. The incremental migration feature ensures that only new or modified items are migrated during the subsequent migration operations, saving time and preventing duplicate entries. Let's see the step-by-step process of migrating MBOX data to the live Exchange server. Download EdbMails from official website. Click Download EdbMails. Click EdbMails Setup File. Complete the installation process. Log in to EdbMails application with the email address and password or click Start your free trial. Select MBOX to PST, MBOX to Office 365, MBOX to Exchange. Click Let's Go. Click Add Files. Select MBOX Files. Click Open. Click Continue. Click any folder to preview all the items. Select the file that you wish to migrate. Select Migrate to Live Exchange. Select the required connection options. Click Next. Connect to target Exchange server. Select Exchange server version. Click Login. Select the required options to load the mailboxes. Click Continue. Select the required mapping option. Click Continue. EdbMails automatically maps mailboxes between the source and target servers. You can apply filters for folders and items. For example, migrate only items within a specific date range. Additionally, filter by sender and recipient's address, attachment names, and read unread status. You can exclude standard or custom folders. Click Save. Click Continue. Give a name for migration job. Click Continue. Migration operation under progress. Upon migration completion, you will get a migration completion message. Click OK. Click the View Log button to get migration report. That's it. For effortless MBOX to Exchange migration, visit edbmails.com today.